Why does your to-do list always feel endless and overwhelming? The truth is, it might not be about how much you're trying to get done, but about the system you use to manage it all. Most people stick with basic lists, but there are smarter ways to plan your day. In this video, we'll show you 3 top productivity app styles: mindful planning, visual dashboards, and customizable workspaces that actually help you feel more in control. Stick around to find out which one fits your work style, whether you're looking for the best productivity apps for students, for work, or for home. So, what if the problem isn't you or your tasks but your system? Why most to-do lists fail? Most of us start with good intentions, writing down everything we need to do, thinking that a simple list will keep us on track. But before long, those lists grow longer and more stressful, and it's easy to lose sight of what actually matters. Instead of helping, the list can leave you feeling stuck and unsure where to begin. Traditional to-do lists try to solve a complex problem with a one-size-fits-all approach. On paper or in a basic notes app, it's tough to see which tasks are urgent, which are important, and which can wait. Without clear priorities, everything starts to feel equally pressing, and that's when overwhelm sets in. You might cross off a few items, but at the end of the day, it still feels like you haven't made real progress. This is where the right productivity app can change things. Not every app works the same way, and choosing one that matches your needs makes a big difference. Take Sunsama, for example. Sunsama isn't just a digital notebook. It's designed to help you plan your day in a way that feels realistic and manageable. It integrates with tools like Gmail and Trello, so you can pull in flagged emails or assigned tasks directly into your daily plan. Instead of bouncing between apps, you can see everything that matters in one place. Sunsama also lets you time block your day, which means you set aside specific chunks of time for each task. This structure helps you focus, and its built-in Pomodoro feature makes it easier to work with fewer distractions. While Sunsama is great for clarity and focus, it does have some downsides. There's no built-in habit tracker, and the mobile app can feel a bit clunky compared to the desktop version. But sometimes, even the best structure isn't enough, especially if you naturally think in a more visual way or prefer working with text. There are tools designed for both types of organizers, and finding the right match can make all the difference in how you plan and execute your day. We'll now share the perfect app for visual and text-based organizers. Your natural preferences play a big part in how productive you feel. Some people organize best when they can see everything laid out visually, while others prefer working with clean, text-based systems. The key is to choose an app that matches how your brain works, rather than forcing yourself into a setup that doesn't fit. If you're a visual thinker, Akiflow might be the tool you're looking for. It acts like a digital productivity dashboard, grouping your tasks into categories that you can see at a glance. You can drag and drop items to rearrange your day, almost like working with digital sticky notes. Akiflow's time-blocking feature lets you lay out your schedule visually, which helps you spot gaps and avoid overloading your day. One standout is the command bar. It gives you shortcuts for power moves and, even better, automatically syncs completed tasks back to your original apps like Slack and Notion. That means you don't have to update things in multiple places. There's a learning curve, especially mastering custom workflows, but it pays off in speed once you get comfortable. If you lean toward text-based organization, Notion offers flexibility that's hard to beat. You can build databases to track tasks, write detailed notes, or organize projects all in one place. For example, you might set up a project tracker that you can view as both a timeline and a Kanban board, switching between layouts as your needs change. Notion even has AI tools that help summarize information or draft content, though this feature does require a separate subscription. For those who like structure and customization, Notion makes it easy to create workflows that fit exactly how you think. The endless options can feel overwhelming at first, but many users find that investing a bit of time to tailor Notion turns it into a real productivity asset. Choosing an app that fits your style, visual or text-based, lets you work with your strengths instead of against them. When you find a tool that matches the way you naturally process information, it becomes much easier to stay organized and focused. And that's what really sets you up to make better choices about how you spend your time. Conclusion. Finding the right productivity app is about matching your workflow and personality, not just doing more. Whether you need structure, flexibility, or a visual overview, The right tool can help you save hours each week and free up energy for what matters most. Try out Sunsama, Akiflow, or Notion. Pick the one that fits your style and see how it changes your planning. After you've given it a shot, let us know in the comments what your biggest productivity roadblock is. We'd love to help you find the perfect app style for your needs. If you like these videos and want to learn more about these productivity apps or other productivity apps, let us know also in the comments and we can look into running a more detailed review for each one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart living tips.